Hello, and welcome to Section 6 of the Hidden Risks of Green Buildings course. The objective of Section 6 is to describe the inherent risks associated with increased building exhaust as recommended by LEED Environmental Quality Credit 5. The focus of this section is to minimize exposure of the building occupants to potentially hazardous particulates and chemical pollutants. Depending on the climate where the building is located, it may be important to utilize different types of ventilation approaches to control indoor air quality degradation and indoor chemical and pollutant source control. In climates with outdoor air conditions that carry large summer moisture loads, which includes much of the eastern portion of the country, ventilation approaches should include a combination of exhaust and makeup air to achieve the pressure differentials required by the credit. This credit requires a pressure differential of 5 pascals between the area with the chemical or pollutant source and the adjacent areas. The recommended approach is to exhaust the space with the chemical or pollutant source to a point that is at least 5 pascals negative when compared to adjacent areas and a minimum of 0.5 cubic feet per minute per square foot. If this recommendation is incorrectly applied, its result can create depressurization of the entire building or portions of the building. The inherent risks associated with increased building exhaust as recommended in this LEED credit are numerous. It increases the importance of a very accurate test and balance process, including wall and ceiling cavities, to ensure that adjacent building areas are not accidentally depressurized. The suggested pressure differentials, 5 pascals, are significantly more precise than the average test and balance firm can measure, likely leading to errors. Since the suggested exhaust rates and pressure differentials are minimum figures, there might be a tendency for some practitioners to vastly exceed these amounts under the concept that more is better, which could result in an increased potential for uncontrolled airflows and moisture problems. It has been the experience of many practitioners in the field of forensic building science that achieving negative pressure conditions in parts of a building while maintaining overall positive building pressures elsewhere is an extremely delicate balance to achieve. This ends the Section 6 learning content material. Please proceed to the self-assessment for Section 6 or review the section video again.